Hey, good morning or good afternoon, depending on where you are around the world. Wandered Apollo here. This is your first time, welcome. On this channel, we're going to talk about mindset, personal development, whatever else comes to the table. So good morning, entrepreneurs. Starting your own business is like setting off on an exciting adventure. There's always challenges, risks, and many opportunities. Today, we're going to discuss some essential things that will help you become a successful entrepreneur. One, follow your passion. That's the most important thing, is to do something that you love. Your business should be part of something that you're super excited about. This excitement will help you stick with it, even when there's going to be tough times, because there will be. Be creative. Being an entrepreneur means being creative. Always trying to develop new ideas and ways to improve your business and yourself. Creativity is vital. Make friends. Don't try to do everything alone. Make friends with people who can help you like your mentors or other business people. Having a good network of friends can open up many great business opportunities. Keep learning. Entrepreneurs are all about learning new things, staying curious, and keep learning about things that are happening in the industry. The more you know, the better you can make decisions for your business. 5, don't give up on challenges. Challenges will come, but don't let them stop you. Look at them as a learning experience. Whenever something doesn't work out, you can figure how to do it better the next time. Manage your time. Time is essential as an entrepreneur. Learn to organize your time, set realistic goals, and get things done. This will help you handle all the different parts of running your business. Learn from your mistakes. It's okay to make mistakes. They can teach you a lot. Instead of being scared of mistakes, use them to get better at what you're doing. Use data to decide what information that you should share. Stay up with the current things in your industry that will help you understand how you can serve your customers better. Be ready for change. The business world can change quickly. Be ready to change your plans. If you need, being flexible will help you in your business. And build a great team. You don't have to do everything alone. Build a team of people that can help you. When you're working together, you can achieve more and make your business extraordinary. Start a business takes courage, learning, and much more. Remember these tips and stay excited about what you're doing. And just keep stepping forward. Please share your ideas, comment, and let's inspire each other on this incredible journey. I love you. I appreciate you. As always, do something good for somebody else in the space, and they can't repay you. To my friends around the world, this is the beautiful view. If you can see it here, go for my little walk here. To my friends that see me in my fur jacket, yes, I love the fur. I'm a farmer. This was a gift, and I wear it every year proudly. So I love you guys. I appreciate you. Have an awesome day. Till tomorrow.